Top of the list of the major reason why your body lotion doesn't work for you, why it seems like you use a lightening body lotion, a brightening body lotion, or a regular everyday body lotion, but you're not seeing any results. It just feels like you're just putting water on your skin. It's probably because your skin is harboring a lot of dead skin cells that will not allow any product that you're using to sink into your skin pores, to clear your skin, to give you that glowing, fresh, smooth skin that you have always desired. So whenever you notice that your products are suddenly not working as fast as they used to, or is no longer as effective as it used to be, then probably it is time for you to actually exfoliate your skin, which is to remove all those dead skin cells, okay, on your body. And that, of course, is where body scrubs come in. Now in this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Kuu Spa Salt Scrub. Okay, now this one is a very popular body scrub, one of the most affordable and yet very effective body scrub, but particularly this one that contains the hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. One of the most popular variants of this Kuu Spa Salt Scrub is the turmeric scrub, right? But in this video, we are going to be talking about this particular one. I mean, everything that it is supposed to deliver for your skin. This Kuu Spa Salt Scrub is an exfoliating scrub that uses natural salts to help to smoothen out your skin, improve the texture of your skin. It is also going to improve the circulation of blood flow all around your body, thereby promoting a firmer, a smoother, and a tighter skin. This product promises to lighten dark areas on your body, like your knuckles, your inner thighs, your underarms. It also promises to generally brighten your dull skin and to give you a fresher, smoother skin. Now before we dive into the key ingredients and what my experience with this product actually has been like, you guys just look at how cute this bottle is. It comes in this do we call it pump? Okay, this is not pump, right? It comes in this color, okay, but yeah, you guys, it comes in this blue and orange color with the drawing of vitamin C, to show what it contains. I mean, I think the other thing is the hyaluronic, where hyaluronic acid is derived from. It is an aromatherapy cleanser and whitening solution that will help to make your complexion lighter, fresher, and silky smooth. It reduces facial acne and body acne, and honestly, I do not actually recommend that you use it on your face because your face is actually way lighter and way more sensitive than your body. It also helps to reduce dark skin on the abdomen, underarms, and wherever is needed. It helps to make the skin firmer while stimulating circulation of blood, and it contains natural herbal aromatic scents that have a relaxing effect. Now you guys, one thing I love about this is not just the color scheme around it, but you guys, it smells so good. Like, you guys, anytime I use it to scrub my body, I always feel like staying in the bathroom and just taking in all the smell. Like, you guys, it feels so good, and you can already begin to experience that spa feeling, like you are at an actual spa. Like, the smell is so good, you guys, and it leaves you feeling so squeaky clean. So yeah, you guys, what are the key ingredients that we actually use to formulate this Kuu Spa Salt Scrub that helps it to be everything that it says it is? First off, of course, is the salt, which is an exfoliating element, that helps to, it is like the rough things like bombs that is supposed to help you remove the dead skin cells on your body in order to reveal a more brighter, smoother, and clearer skin. And of course, it also contains hyaluronic acid, which is an ingredient in skincare that helps to hydrate and deeply moisturize your skin, leaving it feeling smooth, feeling plumper, and feeling fresher. It also contains the vitamin C, of course, which I mean is a safe lightening or brightening agent that will help to fade out dark marks, dark spots generally on any part of your body, improve your skin tone, and brighten your dull skin or your dull complexion. Now it also contains lactic acid, which surprisingly, as against the amount of vitamin C that this contains more lactic acid and more vitamin B3 and vitamin E, which are all going to help to not just smoothen and brighten your skin to give you a clearer skin, but to also reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles on any part of your body. And of course, there is the glycerin, which is like a major factor in most skincare products, that also helps to hydrate your skin, to keep your skin deeply moisturized. Now, did this product do everything that it said it is going to do, you guys? First of all, just look at my skin. This smells so good. I love it because it leaves you feeling so clean, so fresh. Now, a lot of people actually like to go in with this body scrub before they now bath with their body wash or their bath soap that they used to take their bath, but I prefer doing it the other way, and I'm going to tell you why. So I like to take my bath first, wash my body, okay, to remove any dirt, especially at night, that might have gotten, from during the day, and make sure that my skin is damp and clean. Then I go in with this, because you guys, I mean, if this contains lactic acid, if this contains vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B3, hyaluronic acid, these are very good acids and skincare ingredients that actually need to sink into your skin. You are not supposed to wash them off, okay, you guys. You're not supposed to wash it off outrightly, to allow it to do its work. So when you go in with this after taking your regular shower, all you need to do is to just rinse off, and you feel your skin feeling the most hydrated it has ever been since the existence of your being. Don't leave me, don't leave me. So yeah, you guys, and I use this 1 to 2 times every week, or sometimes, you guys, I use it 2 to 3 times every week, but I think the highest should be 3 times a week max. And that is, I mean, if, like I would always say, if you always rub yourself on the floor, or you do like a mechanic work, or this kind of work where your body is stained and greased with oil and very hard dirt. But aside that, you guys, honestly, I don't see any reason why you should be scrubbing your body 3 times every week. It is only going to make your skin thinner. It is going to damage your skin in the long term. So max, honestly, you guys, like I said, 1 to 2 times every week, on the exception that if you spend a lot of time under the sun during the course of your day's activity, then you can go in with this 3 times a week. But honestly, if you're using a very good body lotion, a very good body wash or soap to wash your body, then you don't need to scrub your body 3 times a week. It's too much. But yeah, you guys, I do this 1 to 2 times every week, and on some weeks I just let my skin sit, okay, and relax without doing any of these external things. Sometimes all you need to do is just to let your body rest, and it's going to give you the results that you're looking for. But yeah, you guys, did I particularly enjoy using this body scrub? Yes. Am I going to be getting it again, repurchasing it? I definitely am going to be doing that, okay, you guys. And that, of course, my loves, brings me to the end of this video. Did you find this video helpful? Please let me know in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up if you have not done that already. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you will get notified whenever videos like this come up on this channel. And of course, most importantly, you guys, please click on that thanks sign that comes with a $sign in order for you guys to support the growth of this channel and to help me to continue to bring even more and more reviews like this to you guys. And of course, till I come away next time in my next pretty video, my loves, stay lifted, stay blessed, stay inspired, and don't you ever forget that Shuga loves you. Bye.